In today's video tutorial, I am going to show you a simple trick to make all your text fit neatly on a single page. No manual adjustments needed. This is my document and you will notice that part of the text is running onto a second page. But I want everything on the first page. Instead of adjusting margins or font size one by one, we will use a hidden feature in Microsoft Word. At the top left, you can see the option of Quick Access Toolbar. It looks like a small arrow option. Click on it. Select More Commands. A small box will appear. From Choose Commands option, select All Commands. Now scroll down until you find Shrink One Page option. Select it. Click on Add. Then click on OK. And you are done. Now just copy your text. From top left, select Shrink One Page. And watch the magic happen. Word automatically adjusts everything so it fits perfectly on a single page. Super easy, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.